Hello Kutties, welcome to class 2 EVS video. Lesson Water for All part 2. In part 1 video, we have studied about uses of water, source of water, drinking water and save water. Do you all remember? Now I will recall source of water alone. Source of water are rain, pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. If you forget, see the part 1 video again and recall it. Now let us move on to today's video. In today's video, we are going to study about forms of water and water cycle. Okay. Now answer my question. You can see 3 pictures here, isn't it? In these 3 pictures, which is water? Tell me which is water. I know you all will show this only. Can you see this red color arrow mark? I know you all will show this as water, isn't it? Then what is in the other 2 pictures? Are they not forms of water? These are also forms of water, ice cubes and water vapor. These are also the forms of water. Let us see about these in detail now. Let us learn about these forms of water through an activity so that you can understand very easily. After seeing this activity, you can also try this in your home, but not alone. You have to try with the help of adults or elders. பெரியவங்க இருக்கும்போது இந்த ஆக்டிவிட்டியை பண்ணி பாரு. Now see what you can see in the glass. Yes, water. Now I am going to pour this water in this ice tray. See how I am pouring. I am filling all the trays. Now I am going to open the freezer and keep this ice tray inside. Let me close the fridge. Let us wait for 1 or 2 hours and see what will happen to that water. Now after 6 to 7 hours, I am going to open the fridge and see what happens to the water which we poured before. See, the water becomes ice cubes. Can you see? It is very hard. Now we can transfer it into a tray. Wow, beautiful. You can see ice cubes, isn't it? Okay, now I am going to keep this ice cubes outside for 15 to 30 minutes. Let us see what happens to these ice cubes. After 15 minutes, we can see that ice cubes tray. We kept many ice cubes, isn't it? But now only few ice cubes are there. Where all the ice cubes went, ma? Ice cubes became water, isn't it? So ice cube on heating becomes water. We kept it outside, isn't it? So it is not so cool. ரொம்ப கூலா இருக்காது ஃப்ரிட்ஜுக்குள்ள இருந்த மாதிரி. So that ice cubes again became water. Okay, goodies? Now I have taken a bowl full of water and I am going to boil it. Boil means heat it. I am going to heat it. You can see water up to here. Can you all see the water? Okay. Bowl full of water. After some time, let us see how much water is there. Now you can see water is boiling well. Let us wait for 10 to 15 minutes and see what happens to the water. Now see, after some time, that is nearly 20 minutes after, if we see, you can see only half bowl of water. But we kept water up to this, isn't it? But now it is half bowl. Let us see after some time. Now see kutties, after 1 hour, you can see only very little water, isn't it? We kept a full bowl of water, but it reduced into very little amount. Where all the water went, ma? Anybody drank or did any magic? Where all the water went? நம்ம ஃபுல்லா தானே வச்சோம் தண்ணிய. ஆனா இதுல முக்காவாசி தண்ணிய காணோம். எங்க போச்சு? யாராச்சும் மேஜிக் பண்ணி மறைய வச்சிட்டாங்களா? தண்ணி எல்லாம் எங்கடா காணோம்? That is called water vapor. Water when heated becomes water vapor. That is gas. Water vapor is also called as gas. வாட்டரை நம்ம பாயில் பண்ணா அது கேஸ் ஃபார்ம்ல அப்படியே மேல போகும். ஓகே, we cannot see it, but we can feel it. See, now I am keeping my hand up. Oh my God, it is very hard. I can't even keep because of the water vapor. Water vapor is coming up, isn't it? So I cannot keep my hand even here. It is very, very hot. It seems water is going up as water vapor. See kutties, I am not touching the vessel, but still I feel hot because water is becoming water vapor, that is gas, and going up. So only we can feel the hotness. So gas is also the form of water. அதுவும் வாட்டரோட ஒரு ஃபார்ம் தான் கேஸும். Now see, I am closing this bowl with the lid. And now I am going to off the stove. After 5 minutes, let us see what happens. Now, after 5 minutes, I am taking this lid and seeing. Can you all see water droplets? This is called water droplets. Let me explain in Tamil. ஏன் இந்த water droplets வருது? நம்ம வாட்டரை ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது வாட்டர் வாட்டர் வேப்பரா மாறிடும், அப்படிதானே? அப்போ லிட்டை வச்சு நம்ம க்ளோஸ் பண்ணி வச்சா அந்த கேஸ் எல்லாம், அதாவது அந்த வாட்டர் வேப்பர் எல்லாம் லிட்ல இருக்கும். ஸ்டவ் ஆஃப் பண்ண உடனே லிட்டு கூல் ஆயிரும். ஸோ அந்த கேஸ் எல்லாம் மறுபடியும் வாட்டர் ஆயிரும். அதனால தான் நம்ம அந்த வாட்டர் டிராப்லெட்ஸை பார்க்க முடியுது. See again. Can you see this water droplets? இதில் மட்டும் இல்லை, நீ மத்தியானம் லஞ்ச் பாக்ஸை ஓப்பன் பண்ணும்போது அதில் கூட அந்த லிட்டில் வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா மம்மி சூடாக பேக் பண்ணுறாங்கல்ல, அதனால அந்த ஹீட் வேப்பர் ஆகி வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ் உன்னோட டிஃபன் பாக்ஸ் லிட்லையும் இருக்கும். Children, if it rains, you can see water here and there in the ground, isn't it? But after 1 or 2 days, that water will dry. காஞ்சு போயிடும், தண்ணியே இருக்காது 1 or 2 days கழிச்சு. Where that water goes, ma? Whether anybody will drink or do any magic? No. Due to sun's heat, this water changes into water vapor and goes up. We saw an activity, isn't it? If we boil the water, it changes into water vapor. In the same way, water on the ground will become water vapor due to sun's heat. In the same way, if you put wet cloths in the sun, it will dry within few hours. How the cloths get dry? Dry means காஞ்சிரும். Where the water in the cloths go? Heat of the sun will absorb the water and water in the cloths goes up as water vapor. Okay, kuttis? Hope now you understand how water becomes water vapor, isn't it? So, water is in three forms. There are three forms of water. They are liquid form of water, that is drinking water, then ice, then water vapor. These three are forms of water. Water on cooling becomes ice cube. Water on heating becomes water vapor, that is gas. So, water is in three forms, that is ice, water, water vapor, that is solid, liquid, gas. We saw this through an activity also. So, water is in three forms: liquid form of water, ice, and water vapor. Kuttis, if your parents allow, you can do this activity at home while your parents or elders are near you. Okay? Next, let us learn about water cycle. We all like rain and we love to play in the rain, isn't it? Do you know how we get rain? Whether anybody is pouring water from the sky? No. Now I will say how we get rain. We can see water in the pond, lake, river, puddle, etc. Isn't it? Due to sun's heat, water in the river, pond, lake will change to water vapor and goes up. Already we saw an activity. While heating water, it changes into water vapor, isn't it? In the same way, sun is also giving us heat. It is giving us very heat. So, due to that sun's heat, water in the river, pond, lake will change into water vapor and goes up to the sky. After it goes up, the atmosphere will be very cool there. வாட்டர் வேப்பர் ரொம்ப மேலே போய்கிட்டே இருக்கும். நம்ம ஊட்டி, கொடைக்கானல் அந்த மாதிரி ஹில் ஸ்டேஷனுக்கு போனால் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப குளிரும். அப்படி தானம்மா? வாட்டர் வேப்பர் அதையும் தாண்டி ஊட்டி, கொடைக்கானல் அதை விட தாண்டி இன்னும் மேலே போய்கிட்டே இருக்கும். அப்போ இன்னும் ரொம்ப கூலாக இருக்கும், isn't it? So, water vapor will change into water. அங்கே போய் கூலான அப்புறம் என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த வாட்டர் வேப்பர் மறுபடியும் வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸாக ஆயிரும். We saw in the lid, isn't it? Water droplets. In the same way, this water vapor will also change into water droplets like you see in the lid. These water droplets form clouds. இந்த மாதிரி குட்டி வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ்லாம் சேர்ந்து clouds-ஆக மாறிடுது. And it falls down as rain. இந்த clouds எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஹெவியாக, நிறைய வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ் சேர்ந்தப்புறம் clouds ஹெவி ஆயிரும். clouds எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஹெவியான அப்புறம் அதில் இருக்கிற வாட்டர் ட்ராப்லெட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரெயினாக கீழே விழுந்துடும். Thus we get rain. Are you clear, children? This is called water cycle. Why it is called water cycle? In a cycle, wheel moves up and down again and again. Then only the cycle will move. In the same way, water will go up and down. That is, water will become water vapor goes up, fall down as rain. And rainwater fills up river, pond, etc. Again this water from river, pond will go up and come down as rain. So water from the ground goes up, come down as rain. Again it goes up and come down as rain. This process continues again and again, isn't it? So it is called as water cycle. So in this video we have learned about forms of water and water cycle. We have completed lesson 10 water for all lesson. Whenever you have free time, you have to take lesson 10 water for all and you have to read that full lesson. Now I am going to give you a small homework. In this lesson water for all, I have underlined some important words, that is nearly 32 words. You have to take your book, underline those words, see the screen and underline those words, and you have to read it and write in your rough note one time. Will you all write, cuties? Now see page number 79. Can you see? Ma'am have underlined with the black pen. Can you all see these underlined words? Now you also pause this video and underline in page number 79. Now take page number 80 and underline these words. Pause the video and underline. Next, take page number 81 and underline these underlined words. Have you all finished, cuties? Now take page number 82 and underline these words. Next take last page, that is page number 83. Underline these words. Okay, cuties. Totally 32 words are there. You have to write these words in your rough note one time. Clear, cuties? After writing, you have to read these words also. Hope you all will write today's homework. In the next video, we are going to do book exercise and write classwork for this lesson, water for all. So don't miss that video, cuties. Bye bye. We meet you in the next video.